the water? What does the water taste different? You know, water is very healthy, but from water you can die immediately. If you, mommy, there's only one way to live, right? You know there's only one way to live with water, right?
Sabi niya kapag nag-jump ka doon sa water, mamatay ka. Di ba? Totoo yun, di ba na?
Hindi.
Kapag daw na-cold ka sa water, mamatay ka.
Mommy, I have to tell you something. Mommy, you know that you have only one way to live, like hydration by drinking water, right?
Okay.
But there's only one way to live with water, and but there's a billion ways to die in the water. Drowning, suffocating, never getting you. Drowning, suffocating, falling from a tall building, hitting in the water, and it will